In this comprehensive video, we take a detailed look at Ashlen Jewelry to determine whether it is a legitimate jewelry brand or potentially another online scam. Ashlen Jewelry offers a variety of products, including rings, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and personalized jewelry items, often claiming high-quality materials, trendy designs, and affordable pricing. While these promises sound appealing, many online shoppers have raised concerns about inconsistent product quality, delayed deliveries, difficulties with returns or refunds, and limited customer support. In this review, we examine real customer feedback, analyze the credibility of the website and social media presence, and highlight potential red flags that every online buyer should be aware of. We also provide tips for safely shopping for jewelry online, such as verifying reviews from multiple sources, checking return and refund policies, and ensuring secure payment methods. Moreover, we discuss common warning signs of scam jewelry sites, including exaggerated claims, too good to be true pricing, lack of transparency about materials, and missing contact information. By carefully weighing the pros and cons, this video helps you make an informed decision about whether purchasing from Ashlen Jewelry is a safe choice, or if it comes with significant risks. Whether you are looking for a meaningful gift, a personal accessory, or a stylish addition to your collection, this review equips you with all the information you need to shop confidently, avoid potential scams, and protect your money. Our goal is to provide a thorough, unbiased analysis to ensure that viewers are fully informed before making any purchase decisions online, saving you time, money, and frustration.